English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 11. Native accents. In fact, that's true. Native speakers usually start differently. What do they usually say? Actually. Actually. Generally speaking, that's true. There's a more conversational way to say it. How would a native say it? Basically. Basically. To be honest, I think so. It's a classic phrase for sharing your honest opinion. What do people actually say? Honestly. Honestly. In other words. It's commonly used to rephrase something. What do they say? I mean. In any case, let's go. It's often used to move the conversation along. What's the natural expression? Anyway. Anyway. Speaking of that. There's a much shorter expression. What do people usually say? By the way. By the way. It is difficult to explain. There's a common filler while thinking. How would a native say it? Like. Like. You know that, don't you? Native speakers even use it mid-sentence. What do they say? You know. You know. It is almost finished. There's a more conversational phrase. What do people actually say? Pretty much. Pretty much. Do you agree? People often add one short word. What's the natural ending? Right? Right? Let's hurry. It's a classic way to encourage someone. How would a native say it? Come on. Come on. Is that really true? It often comes out when you're surprised. What do people usually say? Seriously? Seriously? I don't mind. There's a natural reply when you don't really care. What do people actually say? Whatever. Whatever. Let me think. There's a common filler before answering. What do they say? Well. Well. It is literally true. Younger speakers often use it for emphasis. What would a native say? Literally. Literally. Seriously? Seriously? Whatever. Whatever. Well. Well. Literally. Literally. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.